Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to import map in our HTML page. So first I want to check if already I have created one file in HTML and CSS. And here is a browser. Now just I am press exclamatory sign and tab. It comes here is basic code. Like can you see here a doc type and HTML head and it is comes here is basic code. Now first I took section tag, then in section after in section tag I took div tag. Div tag I am adding here one class like container. Okay. Now here is I am taking another div and taking another one class row, and again I'm taking another div called 6, and here I'm taking S2 tag like address and in address I'm giving here is a map and typing any another city name. Okay, I'm taking p tag, giving here is some Lawrence dummy text. Now okay, now I'm taking another div, another column called 6. Here and here is pressing any address. I'm giving here is a Nagpur. And click the here is map. Now click the here is share option. Now after clicking, click here is embed a map. Okay, and here is, can you see here is a 2-3 option: small, medium, large and customize. So just I'm selected already, here is medium and copy here is an HTML code. Just place here. Control V and save it. Can you see here is coming, right? Okay. Now I'm giving style. First I am making style sheet. Now link the type style sheet. And href. CSS and style. Come here. Click the style sheet. First I am giving here is a basic padding and margin 0. It work in whole site. Now section I am giving here is a one bg color like blue. Padding top and bottom 100 pixel, left 0. Okay. Now मैंने section के style के now I am giving in container style. Okay. So then in container means I am giving here is width first. Width I am giving here is percentage 80%. And margin left and right 0. Sorry, top and bottom 0, and left and right or auto adjusted. Okay. And yes. So now I'm giving you the row. Row I'm giving here is display flat. Okay. Flat direction. All. Now all I'm giving here the row. Okay. Boom. And here is call 6. Width 50%. And I want to give here is padding. Padding left is 50 pixels. Padding right is 50 pixels. Okay. Now I'm giving style here is this section. So yes, 2 and P. Yes, 2. Color is white. White text. Increasing font size. Font size is I'm giving 54 pixels. Margin bottom 35 pixels. Okay, now I want to give P tag. Font size 50 pixels. 15 and line height 24 pixels. Sorry, here is line height. Why it's not working? Sorry, list height is going. Line height 24 pixels. Okay. Now this problem is head here is coming pixel. So now okay. Here is an auto and here is changing bit 100%. see. Suppose I'm giving here is a height. $400. Only 400. Okay. Now I want to do this is middle.